Alright, this is the first time I'm checking in to the vlog, but this weekend we are in Paris, Tennessee. My Nana lives over here. We are here because one of Chris's co-workers, they are hosting their wedding reception in Murray, Kentucky, which is 30 minutes from my Nana. So we are hanging out with her until it's time to go this afternoon, which I think we're leaving at 2. But I thought since it was breaking the weather, I brought Elme for a ride, and we just got out and walked around the water a little bit. Come on. It is rather cool, but it feels so nice, actually. Feels good. And I stopped at the gift shop over there and got a sticker for my water bottle to add. So I think we're gonna drive around a little bit more and then head back to my Nana's. I'm gonna put this one. I got this one because the dog, it looks like Elme, but I think it's too big to put on my water bottle. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this mini one right here. And then I found another sticker and I got it from my dad. Alright, there we go. 2 state park stickers already.